This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kirby and the Forgotten Land on piano. First, choose a favorite song from the game, like the main theme. Listen carefully to its melody and try to hum it. Then, find the starting notes on your piano keyboard. Use your right hand to play the melody, focusing on one phrase at a time. Practice at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, to build muscle memory and accuracy before increasing speed. Many Kirby and the Forgotten Land themes feature bright, memorable melodies. Start with the main theme, which often uses a simple major scale. For your left hand, identify the basic chords that support the melody. These are usually major or minor triads, like C major or G major. Practice playing the melody with your right hand until it feels comfortable, then practice the chords with your left hand. Once both hands are confident, try putting them together at a slow pace. To master these pieces, consistent practice is key. Divide longer songs into smaller 2 to 4 measure sections. Focus on perfecting each section before moving on. Always use a metronome, beginning at a very slow tempo, perhaps 40 to 60 beats per minute, and gradually increasing it. Recording your practice sessions can be incredibly helpful. Listening back allows you to objectively hear your playing and pinpoint areas where you can improve your rhythm or note accuracy. Once you are comfortable with the basics, explore online resources for more advanced arrangements. Many websites offer free or paid sheet music and tutorials for video game music. Don't be afraid to experiment with different chord voicings to add your personal touch and depth to the sound. Learning some fundamental music theory, such as scales and chord progressions, will also greatly enhance your understanding and ability to play these wonderful melodies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.